Cooks. Today we're going to make some homemade pizza in the Bighorn Outdoors gas pizza oven. It just arrived here in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen, and I'm looking forward to it because pizza is one of our favorite things to make. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, here is our box. It is a little toasty out here, but not terrible. We had some rain, and now the rain is done. So it's time to get it out of this box. This box is huge, so get ready. Whoa, okay, here we go, looking good. Here we go, looking. Whoa, okay, here we go. We're in for a treat here. This oven is amazing.
With the regulator. Goes in your propane tank.
There's the stone. Wow, nice.
Okay.
Comes with a really nice pizza paddle.
Ooh.
Really nice. Says Bighorn right here. Very nice. Okay, pizza cooks, there we are. We got the oven set up. So that is the exhaust. And you're just going to hit this little button here. And we're going to control it by hitting light. Whoa! This one's for the bottom. It's probably on. Whoa! That is cool. And here's our little thing. We're already up to 300 degrees at fast. This thing gets hot quickly. Yeah, so it has a door on it. This is the door, and the door goes on here. So I think it's time to get some pizza. See what this thing can do. Okay, it's starting to rain a little bit. I did try this out once, and this takes practice. So we have the bottom burner on so the stone is hot. Don't put it in here if the stone's not hot, because trust me, it's just dough on there. I got some semolina on here. Pizza's moving around a little bit. We're gonna launch. Woo-hoo!
First try, baby.
This is only my second pizza!
Yay! It's almost 500 degrees. Pull this off.
Ooh. It's starting to rain, and we got some pizza going.
Ooh, look, the mozzarella's melting on its own. We don't even have to lift it.
So you can start moving this when the dough starts baking a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a little turn here.
You want to put this guy back on for 2 seconds?
You get better at it the more you do it.
We're going to give another turn because we got heat this time.
So one key of these things is keep this baby turning a little bit. We are currently at about 800 degrees in this bad boy. This Bighorn heats up fast and hot. So we will be doing another video. I'm going to get a cast iron skillet in here, and we're going to sear a steak off in here. Maybe cook some chicken. That's where we're at right now.
Ooh.
You see that? Flip that paddle. That's our current status. I think we have a little raw dough action, but look at that sizzle action. Woo! That's looking good. I got a lot of work to do to learn how to do this right.
You want to get going on here, Bubba?
Woo!
Yeah, we got to get the bad boy out.
Got a little char action going on there. How much char do you like?
Good enough.
That looks amazing.
That looks wonderful.
And we're going to remove it with the Bighorn pizza peel. Whoa! Let's go ahead and cut the this baby.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Nice and crispy in there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not like the master pizza makers, but this is my very first pizza.
Shows anyone can make a pizza.
Yeah, and I'm pretty proud.
It's pretty easy.
Woo! That's hot. So that's my first pizza.
Ooh.
So you want to take a taste, Boo?
Sure.
Okay, Boo, go ahead. Look at that cheese stretch.
Cheese is good. Sausage. Olives are wonderful.
How's the dough?
Got a little crunchy to it. Got the little char on this side, so let's eat that.
Ooh. So I think this pizza is Eric approved. So if you want to take a look at the Bighorn Pizza Oven, what do you say, Boo?
Yum, yum, yum.
Click the link in the description. And Bighorn Outdoors, thank you very much. We're going to cook on this again. Stay tuned as my pizza skills improve. And also, we're going to try some cast iron cooking in that baby. Thanks for joining us.